Hello everyone, I am Dania and my internship seminar topic is Each One Teach One under the guidance of Professor Rizwan Sheikh. So, in this seminar, we will go through objectives of internship, company where I completed my internship, project I worked on, project objectives, project benefits, task assigned to me during the course of my internship program, accomplishments I faced during my internship program, and the lessons learned. Objective of internship. An internship is a purposeful activity of the student set in a work environment in order to obtain learning outcomes within their curriculum. It provides training and experiential learning opportunities for the development of skills in counseling, assessment, crisis intervention, consultation, outreach, and provision of supervision. It provides an open and supportive environment conducive to the development of multicultural competence and sensitivity of individual differences and to provide experiential learning opportunities to integrate developing knowledge base into work with divine populations. It also provides a professional working environment that encourages and gives space to professional identity development and development of professional competence. The aim of the internship provides a direction to activities, helps to focus on a result and to assess the result achieved. During the internship, the knowledge, skills, and attitudes learned in the program can be applied. So, these are the objectives of internship. Now, we will go through the company where I completed my internship. I went internship program under IC Solution in Bangalore. IC Solution, so called as ICS, is a digital service provider that aims to provide software designing and marketing solution to individuals and businesses. At ICS, they believe that service and quality is the key of success. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solutions from building software to web designs or any custom demand that we may have. Some of their services include development, mobile application design, consultancy, and the videos. Development. They develop responsive, functional, and super fast websites. They keep user experience in mind while creating websites. A website should load quickly and should be accessible even on a small viewport and slow internet connection. Mobile application. They offer a wide range of professional Android, iOS, and hybrid app development services for our global clients, from a startup to a large enterprise. Design. They offer professional graphical design, brochure design, and logo design. They are experts in crafting visual content to convey the right message to the customers. Consultancy. They also provide us with expert advice on our design and development requirement. Videos. They create a polished professional video that impresses audience. Now, the project I worked on. Each One Teach One. Each One Teach One Charitable Foundation is a development organization established in 1983 aims at creating opportunities for the unprivileged children in rural and urban India. Each One Teach One is a non-governmental, non-profit organization that strives to improve the quality of education available to the average and poor students. Their mission is to provide the unprivileged children with an opportunity to discover their inbuilt potential, enabling them to take up responsibilities and challenges in life. The slogan "Each one teach one" is a motivation for the educated class to understand their moral and social responsibility of teaching at least one illiterate person makes a big difference in the society. EOTO work include reforming schools, educating working children and special children. Each one teach one vision is to give every child a chance of transforming his or her life through education and stand in his society as an equal citizen. Project objective. Let us discuss about the objectives. First, educate and promote education. The primary aim is to educate the weaker section of the society. The focus in on English, mathematics, Marathi, Hindi, social studies and science subjects. Extra coaching classes are held for those students who find it difficult to cope with the regular pace of education. Computer education is given to the children by setting up a computer center and appointing a trainer. EOTO scholarships are given to encourage our students to study further. Second, basic support. EOTO shoulders the responsibilities by providing uniforms, notebooks, etc. to the students. It aims to provide students with notebooks, uniforms, nutrition, and support other things. Third, appropriate support to teachers and school. Teachers training program strengthens the teacher with better and more enhanced teaching techniques. Providing the teaching aids help in improving the quality of teaching. Toys and books library in schools are provided to broaden the general knowledge of the children. Setting up the science laboratories allow hand-on experience on the technical subjects. Fourth, appropriate support to students. Many students need special counseling. Simple activities like celebrating the student's birthday and rewarding them for their performance goes a long way in boosting their self-esteem. Students drop out of college as they are not able to cope up with their studies. A career guidance program after 10th standard directs the children based on their aptitude, ensuring that they complete their education. Fifth, self-development of students. Workshops on personality development and leadership skills help the students to keep up with the demands of the real world. Activities like yoga, karate, and meditations are also a part of self-development program. Sixth, extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities makes the school life more interesting by facilitating indoor activities like carom, chess, art and craft, rangoli, competition, etc. Outdoor sports like and outdoor sports and taking the children on an annual picnic. Seventh, providing a healthy environment. Sanitization and drinking water facilities in the schools are provided. Students come from the impoverished area of the city. They are very prone and various diseases that may or may not be detected. Organization of general health camps help to identify various primary health concerns. Project benefit. Each one teach one helps housemaid, watchman, garbage collector, a vegetable vendor, and those unprivileged people to learn, read, and write, and these people help make our life better and easier. We can also offer to teach others or bring people who want to learn. We can motivate some others who have the skills to do this but just need a boost. We can also contribute materials or space for teaching, which also gives a great sense of satisfaction towards a noble cause. Now about the tools and technologies used. Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an integrated development environment (IDE) from Microsoft. It is used to develop computer programs as well as websites, web app, web services and mobile apps. Visual Studio uses Microsoft development platform such as Windows IPI, Windows Forms, Windows Presentation Foundation, Windows Store, and Microsoft Silverlight. Visual Studio supports 36 different performing languages. Second, React.js. React.js is the most popular development platform that is used for building the reusable user interface. With React.js, a web application can be built which does not need any reload or changing the data of the page, which makes the application become faster and more scalable, and it also makes the application user friendly. Hypertext Markup Language, also known as HTML. Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. With HTML, constructs, images, and other objects such as interactive forms may be embedded into the rendered pages. HTML can embed programs written in a scripting language such as JavaScript, which affects the behavior and content of web pages. CSS, also known as Cascading Style Language Sheet. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language like HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and JavaScript. CSS also has rules for alternate formatting if the content is accessed on mobile device. Working. This is how it works. This EOTO page contains two sections about the concept and two simple buttons with the label. If you are a student and willing to learn, click here, and if you are a student and willing to teach, click here. Two separate forms are created to gather details regarding the same. The form include basic options such as name, college, date of birth, city, USN, etc. And for the willing to teach form includes options, subjects interested to learn. The task assigned. So, what were the tasks assigned during my internship? Firstly, we were asked to download all the necessary applications and software which were necessary for the implementation of the project. test for any programming bugs, ensure all the controls are at its place and functioning, whether it has a proper flow of control. Report as and when bugs are arise. And the third one, to ensure smooth running of project. So by having this task assigned to us, we could complete the project in lesser amount of time. Next, accomplishment. My accomplishments during my internship period. Independence. Often we think being spoon fed is the way to learn, but working independently has proved to be very important. Our internship will teach us to make our own decision and do things in our own way. Being able to work independently is very important in the working world. Second, gain value and the work experience. The hands-on work experience interns receive is invaluable and cannot be obtained in classroom settings, making this one of the most important benefits of internship. Interns have the opportunity to apply acquired knowledge to real-world experiences. Witnessing first-hand to day-by-day job duties we can expect to encounter in our chosen field. In addition to learning the specialized skill of particular field, transferable skills such as communication, teamwork, and computer are also obtained in our internship. Next, de- develop develop and refine skills. We can learn a lot about our strengths and weaknesses during an internship. Internship allows for feedback from supervisors and others who are established in the field and offer a unique learning opportunity that we may not have again as a working adult. Embrace the mistakes we make as an intern and the many things that we won't know. Lessons learned. The lessons learned during my internships are: aim for excellence, adopt new skills, and time management. Aim for excellence. Like there is no final goal for business, there is no final limit to excellence. We always set new standards and make ahead to set a higher one. No matter how the deadlines are or how high the work pressure is, we should always stay motivated and complete our work in the best way possible. It is highly probable that even if we work includes a lot of creativity, it might be more, it might be certain point of time. This is where we need to find a scope of improvement, optimize the process, and thus set higher standards of excellence. Adopt new skills. Chances are interns are either unpaid or completely unpaid, but skills that you think will be useful in our industry, and consider that capitalization on your work. Utilize the skills in the part-time jobs or freelance projects in tandem with their work placement. New time management. It is always better to reach an hour early than being 5 minutes late, as nothing speaks more about our professional ethic than our ability to manage our time well. It includes reaching office meetings and conferences before time, and also complete your share of work ahead of deadlines. This shows that we respect our well and others' time and our ability to successfully fill our responsibilities on time. So, this is my experience about internship and the project I completed during my internship. Thank you.